Earn money by liking YouTube videos. What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. How you can get paid by just liking YouTube videos and other small tasks actually to make even more money online. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into today's opportunity here, this is going to be a short one, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real online business, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. But we save that for the end of the video, of course, because for now we want to make some extra money online by liking YouTube videos and more. Let's get started. Alright, so first we are going to a site like microworkers.com. Now, Microworkers is a very popular site where people want to have small, simple tasks done, and you can actually do much more than just liking YouTube videos here. So what you need to do first is you need actually to sign up for an account, and when you logged in, you can see here that there is 222 jobs available to you right now. Now we are interested in actually YouTube, so I do a search here. You can see here the first that comes here is to actually create an account. So we can earn 12 cents here for creating an account. You can see here that there is tons of other opportunities, as I said also. So by creating a Gmail account we can earn 8 cents, and it doesn't require any special skills to do actually this kind of small tasks here. So really simple and easy tasks, and we can actually earn more money. Here we have the first one, YouTube, comment plus view plus subscribe plus like, and we can earn 12 cents for doing this task. So if you want to apply for it, all we have to do is actually open it in a new tab, and we can find out all the details if we accept it. You can see the specs right here, international, all countries accepted except for this. And it actually explains everything in detail, so you just have to follow the instructions and you will get paid later on, of course. So by just scrolling down a little bit here, you can see that there is more opportunities. Here are search plus watch plus comment plus like, so there we have another YouTube like, and you can earn another 12 cents. So it's definitely not something that you get rich on, but it sums up pretty fast if you take up on a few on these tasks, and you can make some extra money, as I said earlier here. Here are more YouTube tasks, but you can see that there is other simple tasks. I mean, pretty similar for Pinterest, for example. There is usually for Facebook and other social media platforms, or you can just, they ask you to search something on Google and post a screenshot that you have done it. Of course, look at this, search and engage plus screenshot plus bonus, and you can earn 6 cents. So definitely a good way to make some extra money online. Now there is actually a few more pretty similar sites, and the next one that came into my mind is Pico Workers. Pico Workers works pretty similar actually like this, and you can see here there is tons of other opportunities also. So if you go to Survey Junkie and you sign up there, you can make 50 cents, submit an email to a website, 24 cents. So there is definitely a lot of super easy small tasks that you can actually make money. If you have a look at Workers in real time, you can see how much people have made here. Okay, so you can see that there is someone that has actually earned $70.64. He or she has made 1,368 tasks. So you make money by doing small tasks. Another pretty similar site is also rapidworkers.com. So you can see here, YouTube, vote for this video, you make 10 cents. Follow me on Twitter, 12 cents. Let's see what else is there. Upload 5 photos to this site, 39 cents. Another following on Twitter. Creating Gmail accounts, 13 cents, so you can make even more money on Rapid Workers. But a good tip, what I would do is I would actually sign up to all the 3 sites that I shared with you here, and I would just get started and take up on the tasks, so to earn a few extra bucks online there. Now, as I said in the beginning, this is not something that you can get rich on. So if you're interested in building a real online business, making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. Alright, if you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations, both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more. So make sure to subscribe to both, hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another make money online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.